So we're gonna move on to the volume. So what you were supposed to do on Friday was the volume of the rectangular prism boxes. Now we're gonna move on to the volume of cylinders and spheres. Okay. So what's the definition of volume? The space that it takes, right? How much space does it take, or how much stuff can you fit in it? This is how we know it, right? We say the volume of this water bottle is 500 ml. So this is how much water can I fit in that bottle. But it's technically the volume, the space that this objects take. So let's say if I take a water bottle and I put it in a filled tank, like tub or whatever, how much is it gonna displace? Okay, but all what we need to do here, or all what you guys need to do for this course, is to actually be able to find the volume formula or the formula of the surface area or whatever it is, and be able to apply it. Okay, so if I'm looking at cylinders, right? If you look at the formula for the cylinder, what is the volume of the cylinder? What's the formula? Pi r squared times okay. Now would be different no, there won't be that much restriction, right? What I'm asking. Okay. So in this case, because it's looking for a unit. Yeah. Yeah, what did you guys get? 462.7. Okay, let's just try it again. I made a mistake entering stuff here. Yep, so it's 462.7. Thank you, guys. Perfect. So, make sure that you report your unit. Full marks. And because this is a fourth problem, what else do I need to include? Very four states. Therefore, volume. Okay? Volumes, the unit for it is cubed. Okay? Unless you're using the volume units, which is used for volume unit. When I have unit. Okay? So usually sometimes they use, most of the time they use mil and liter, right? So on the tomato can, do you see them writing 462.7 centimeter cube? No. They usually converted to either mil or liter. Okay? So which we knew, or ounce, but which we knew to know how to convert between the volume units that we're going to get, which is usually something cube, either centimeter cube or meter cube or feet cube or inches cube or whatever cube, to the actual volume, in this case to liters. They're asking me to convert to liters. This is where you also need purple sheet. No, you don't need your purple sheet. That's only have formula. So there is did I give you a sheet that looks like this? Okay, so I will photocopy this for you, okay? And I will give you. So for this one, I'm just trying to find, right here, tells you these three that you see right here, okay? And in this case, every 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. That's what this reads. Every 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. So that number here in the third column, that number, it belongs to the centimeter cube, belongs to the second unit. Okay? So this says that you have every 1 mil is equal to 1 centimeter cube, and every 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay? In this case, they're asking me to change to liters, and I have centimeter cube. So which formula I'm going to use, the first one or the second one? The second one, because that's the one that has both liter and centimeter cube. Okay? So, first formula, I don't need it, and I'm going to keep that formula. I'm going to write it a little bit higher. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. I'm going to show you how my conversion, whatever way you learned, I'm okay with either way. Okay? I'll show you. So, I got this from the formula. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. How many centimeter cube do I have? So if I put that under the centimeter cube, because they have to match, and I'm looking at how many liters that's equal to. Yes? So, the way I cross-multiply, so we multiply the two numbers that we have that are across from each other, and then we divide with the third number. Cross-multiply, and then we divide by the third number. So that means I'm going to have to multiply by 1. Each other, and you'll be left with lined up centimeter and centimeter, right? So this way I know that I have to cross multiply with a liter and then divide by the centimeter. It's always going to be multiplying, multiplying number. So if I'm looking at this, it's going to be 0.4627 liter. Are we okay with this? Going on. my number. Be careful when you're plugging in your numbers in the calculator. Okay, either find the bottom first and do the division, or make sure that you put this in brackets when you're doing it all together in the calculator. Okay? If you're not sure, find the answer of the denominator first, then do your division. Yes. Why did I report it to 2 decimal? There's no rule. We're not going by a rule, but because they gave me the answer to do decimal place, so I'm going to give them the height. Okay? Just to be consistent of the measurement that they have given. Okay? Am I going to take marks off the how many decimal place you put? No. Okay? Because there's no rules. We're not going with a rule. But the way I'm going here is if they give me the radius or diameter in 2 decimal place, I'm giving them the height. Okay? What would be your unit here? Okay? So you see that I put my given there. I wrote down my formula, isolated for the looking for, plugged in my information, found the answer. The last thing that